Hi there, we bought this dehumidifier a couple of weeks ago because our third floor bedroom is really struggling with damp and it is so cold to enter. Now the difference has been amazing. The room now feels warm to enter and the wet and cold feel has completely disappeared. There is nothing more satisfying than emptying this every morning and evening and seeing all the water that it has sucked out of the room. This one has really been powerful and helped us a lot. The digital display is useful to check the humidity and temperature, and we can put the machine on to nighttime mode, so it is much quieter when we are sleeping. It has a 2.5 litre tank, or you can connect to an external water pipe as well. It also comes with an air filter for the hair and dust. Overall, I really do love this and it has helped our room feel warmer and much drier.